Hi, and thanks for joining me at my crafty table. This is Renee, and if you're watching this, then it means I have successfully been able to upload a video, which is one of the reasons why I have not been putting anything out on my channel. This here is a birthday card that I made for my mother. I went ahead and I bought these flowers from Joann's about I don't know when I bought them, but I bought them with the intent to use them on Valentine's Day cards. Some flat back pearls on here, and then I went ahead and I stamped wishing you happiness. So on the inside, I know my sons have already signed it, and that is how it looks. I just stamped happy birthday to you and embossed it in pink as well. So this is the card, and I wasn't certain how I wanted to put this flower. It's the first time ever using florals on a card front with the way this came out. Put together another birthday card because my great aunt is going to be celebrating her birthday in March. So I want to go ahead and jump start on that, and I'll be sending a card out to her. So this gold sticker came from Hobby Lobby, and it says happy birthday. And on the inside, I went ahead and I used my gold embossing powder and stamped out wishing you a special day to celebrate your birthday. And I went ahead and I layered that 3 times inside the card. So we'll be signing that. I thought that was pretty cute. It's just stamped and embossed with the best things aren't things. It does have the butterfly and then the vellum. And I used a scallop punch here, and I kind of goofed because when I did the punch, I didn't account for it to take off some from the front. That's okay. And the reason why this paper here doesn't come all the way down because I don't want it to show down there. And I stamped out a bit of kindness to brighten your day. And I already wrote my note on the side, so I'm not going to share that. But I just thought this was a good way for me to also send this out. I've been holding on to it for so long, and a few of the cards that I do make, I tend to put them away if I'm not making them for anybody specific at that moment. So it just feels good for me to go ahead and let go of some of these cards that I have pre-made, and then now they have a specific purpose for heading out. So anyway, I just want to thank you for stopping by and watching, and I will come back again. Bye.